Namaste. OTP. Chicken? Ooh. Oops. Let's see what it's like inside. No, I want the one with the cover. Okay. This one is how many ml? 1 liter. Hey, play Tobio. 1 liter is big. I think this is the one I'm looking for, but it's the 500 ml. This one has a cover. And this type of sip bottle. So let's look for the 500 ml. Let me see how much electric kettle is because I don't have. How much is this? Abi, where did they write the price? Bajaj. Okay. 1.5. 799. Wow. That's our kettle 799. 690. C1 699. Prestige 1.7 liters 699. 1.7 liters. This is kettle for water, Abi. Before we use it for something else. It's kettle. It's not now. Let's continue using pots to boil water. I think I need batteries for my clock and some other things. So these are AA, Abi. Yeah. This is the type of room heater I have, and I'm thinking of getting a bigger one. Because this one, it doesn't do nada. And then I need a converter extension to convert this 16 amp. I don't have this socket in my room, so I need a converter to convert. Hot water 1 bag. This is heavy. Yo, it's heavy. It has weight. What? How many is inside? I don't have a hot water bag. No. Oh, see one heater. How much is it? MRP. This is the price. Is there any sales price on this? Okay, so the sales price. So five. Nah, oh one. It's too expensive. Let's look for something a bit less. Okay, these are converter switches, but it's not 16 amp. I need 16 amp. 16 amp. These are not. Abi, are they? No, they are not. All these ones here are not. Okay, see this one. This one looks like. Let's see. It's not. It's 6A. It's not 16. To think that this is the main thing that brought me to this place, and I'm not finding converter for my heater. This cold will not finish me this year. I want to be prepared as much as I can. Yo, this place is so big. It's like a warehouse. Everything, household, kitchen, groceries, clothes, a lot. It's a big warehouse. Try not to show people's faces. Okay, so I think this is the room heater I'm looking for. This type is approximately 2,000 rupees. Yo, who? I think I'll check online if there's a better deal online. Let me check online and see if there's a better deal. I'll just order it online. Yep. Yeah. But this is some. This is what I'm looking to get. Something like this, either the 2 rod or 3 rods. I hope it works.
This fantasy magnetic alpha. This is new collection.
Magnetic is nice.
Yes. यार हम वो लगाते हैं ना वो हमें एक कितने का अभी ना
This is your sign to go and drink water. Okay, so this is the bag I put all my stuffs in. So I put everything in here. So first things first, Visha will not give you bags. No, they would not package any item you buy in a bag for you. So it's either you go with your own tote bag or shopping bag or whatever, so you can put all your items in it, or you purchase their own bags. Let's start with this one. So I got this. Yeah, it has a zip bottle. So next I got this fluffy mat. What it looks like. It's small. I got me some fluffy shoes. Yeah. Then next, I saw this cup. I mean, I just thought to myself that since I got a very big flask, just in case I need um something small to go to school with, and this is also insulated. I just hope it's true. It said both for both hot and cold. I don't know how long it will last. It has a zip here, and then oops, and then you can open it up and also drink. I think this should be about 500 ml or 600 ml. And then last but not the least, they told us to pick only 5 items, so I picked this bag. And luckily for me, everything I picked was able to fit in this bag, so I didn't have to buy an extra bag or hold anything on my hand here. So that's what I got from Vishal. And then you guys saw me at Bella Vita stand trying to get perfume, and yo, the one I wanted 100 ml so bad of their latest collection. When he told me the price of the 100 ml bottle, yo, I checked my balance. Nah, I needed the perfume urgently because I'm running very low, so I needed perfume urgently. Yeah, so that was why I went there, and then I asked for discount, and he tried his best. So instead of getting the 100 ml of one particular bottle, he then told me that they have the smaller 15 mls that come in a box of 3. So that's 3 different fragrances, but in 15 ml bottle sizes each. And when I did the maths, I'm like, okay, instead of taking 100 ml of just one particular scent, it would be good to have 3 different scents in 15 ml, right? Girl math, right? Yeah. So I got myself this one. Looks like so in this box, and then you open it up this way, and you have I love strong scents, permit me, but I love strong scents. So in this box has 3 fragrances. Let's see. So it has, this one is what? Okay. So it has magnetic. This is magnetic. This is alpha, and this is fantasy, I guess. Yeah, so magnetic, alpha, and fantasy. And the first one I perceived, I said I liked was magnetic. Yo, this smells bold. It has this bold, I don't know, what did they call this thing? Notes. Yeah, perfume notes. That one I leave it for perfume enthusiasts. Yeah, all the top notes, lower notes, middle notes, but I liked how this smelled bold. Like, it's really magnetic. In fact, the test strip he gave me for magnetic, I still have it in this bag. Where is it? Yeah, I still have it in this bag. Smells good. I'm going to leave it there. Let it marinate in the bag. So yeah, I'll try on these 3, and probably by the grace of God, when I have more money, I can then pick 1 or 2 of them in the 100 ml bottles. That's it for this vlog. We're starting exams soon, so this will literally be like the last vlog before Christmas. I just hope I'll have something to vlog for Christmas. I don't have any plans yet. The only thing that I'm hoping to get this year is a real Christmas tree. So I just need the tree. I already have some accessories, so I'll just get that wrapping paper, put some little gifts. That's what I want to do, for myself. Do videos, take photos under my tree alone. I will not mind, yes, and unbox the gifts, that I got, even if it's 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. little gift, like that. I'll just wrap them, put it under the tree, and feel good. So if you're thinking of gifting me something, you can ask for my account number and I'll send it to you. Or if you're in India, you can send me the gift. I'll send you my location. You can deliver to me. Okay? Thanks in advance. Yeah. So. Whew. So thank you guys for watching my very short vlog. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.